We've got a couple settings here. So we've got our lock and unlock button here. Down, we've got our ability to adjust the side view mirrors here. So whatever one's glowing is going to be the mirror that you're going to be changing around. This right here is going to kill off the power to the back windows. So if you have kids back there, you got a dog, you want to make sure it doesn't, use his claws in order to lower the windows there, you can lock it up from here. So this is going to be your driver and passenger side front, driver passenger side rear. And hopping inside the vehicle here now, we've got a couple other options. So this button right here is going to be for our fog lamps. And we've got a couple options here when it comes to the actual light choices. So we've got off and auto. Those are the only ones I want you to focus on. You can turn them on all the time if you want to, but I recommend keeping it in the auto setting. And the reason why is because with the lights in auto, it's automatically going to turn on the daytime lamps. It's going to automatically turn them off as necessary. So I recommend keeping it on all the time. If you really don't want your lights on, turn it off there. There are two little buttons here, so a plus and a minus button as well. This is going to be the screen dimmer switch. The steering wheel on the EcoSport is also adjustable, so if you look here, there's a little lever. We're just going to pull that lever down, and then we can adjust the steering wheel as we want to up and down here. Once you've got the position that you like, you're just going to pull that back up, and that locks the steering wheel.